Question 16a, part 1. Show that root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. Try this question now, pause, and unpause to see how it's done. We're told in the question that root 20, the square root of 20, is equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5 is just another way of writing 2 times root 5. You know how 2 times x is written 2x or 2 times a is written 2a? Well, it's the same thing. Instead of writing 2 times root 5, it's written 2 root 5. So we're told in the question root 20 is equal to 2 root 5, and all we have to do is show that root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. What this is asking us to do is to simplify root 20. So very often you have to simplify things, and in this case we have to simplify root 20. So let's write root 20 is equal to. Now to simplify surds, you first need to find a square number that divides evenly into the surd. So the square numbers are 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, and so on. So the square numbers are 1 squared, which is 1, 2 squared, which is 4, 3 squared, which is 9, and so on. 16, 25, 36, which is 6 squared, and so on. You need to find a square number that divides evenly into the number in the surd, in the square root symbol. So which one of these numbers will divide evenly into 20? Well, 1 will, but that won't get us anywhere, and 4 will. So 9 won't, 16 won't. So the number to divide in is 4. So root 20 is equal to root 4 times, well, if you divide root 20 by root 4, you would get root 5. So root 20 is equal to root 4 times root 5. The reason why we divide square numbers in is because they will go from being irrational numbers with square root symbols on them to being rational numbers, numbers that won't have any square root symbol. So we simplify it further. So root 4, root 5. Root 4, the square root of 4 means what number squared gives you 4. So root 4 is equal to what number times itself, which will give you 4. The answer is 2. The square root of 4 is equal to 2 because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So root 4 root 5 is equal to 2 root 5 because root 4 is equal to 2. And we've just shown what we've been asked to show. Root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. And this is your final answer.